Hello, taco lovers. Thanksgiving is coming up next week, and a lot of people are making their menus right now. So this week we are making an alternate menu. We're going to make turkey tacos, tamale dressing, Mexican street corn. In their book, The Power of Moments, Chip and Dan Heath talk about how we can craft and build our own unforgettable memories and amazing experiences. They say that these defining moments have one of four things in them: elevation, insight, pride, and connection. Using this template, we will craft an epic Thanksgiving by flipping the script on the menu, celebrating our biggest successes of the year, showing our kids what they can achieve by removing the kids' table, and all of this will undercut the defining idea of Thanksgiving, the tradition of every year that family and friends are important and our most valuable asset. For the turkey tacos, I just used ground turkey instead of ground beef. I added the taco seasoning and let that heat through. And then we just serve that in regular taco shells. So really nothing special, but instead of spending 8 hours in front of the oven, we have something quick and easy to make. Thank you for watching. I hope you enjoyed this video. Please like and subscribe. Check out the channel because this week I will be releasing a short every day showing a new alternate dish for Thanksgiving that I'll be making.